Hi guys, and welcome back to my new YouTube video. Today I was wanted to show you how scopes are working and what does the arguments mean and how to set them. Yeah, as you can see, I started a new project because um, I named it more general, so I named it Titans Tutorials Java EN. Because I want to get a project where I got all my tutorials. Maybe you could do it also. So yeah, you see all tutorials we had we have done. Now I will create the Hello World program again and create a new package called app and a new Java class. Okay, so now we have to write the default Java. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, we have to put in or write the standard Java method now. So it's public static void main string brackets args and then again bracket. Okay. First of all, I would start to explain the arguments. So to see the arguments, I will write a for loop. What it does exactly, I would explain it in a video later. So the string a is counting the arguments array. Yeah. So the variable I is counting for the arguments array. So for every an array is, it's a list and it's counting the list. So yeah, to see the count, I would make a system out println I, and then it should print out what we've got in there. So okay, I would start the program. So I got the arguments here. Yeah. So hello, how are you? Are you? Okay, and now if I will start the program, we see the list hello, how are you? Uh, this is important for programs where you can give extra options. Like you would see it later. I will show it to you later. So you could initialize the extra parameters if you want to start the program. Yeah. So next of all, next would be how to get the how to start this program in the terminal. First of all, we have to change the directory to hello world, and then I would type in java c minus d for directory bin, because I want to create a new directory called bin minus source path source, and then for Windows it's important do a backslash and then again source. And if you are wondering how I will autocomplete this, I'm pressing tab and then it would write it or yeah complete it. app and then main.java. Okay, and as you can see, the folder is now here. So if we want to start this, we have to change the directory to bin, and then we could start the program with java app.main. Yeah, now we aren't getting anything because the array is empty. But if you are writing hello, how are you? It's giving it back. Right. Okay. This was the first thing I was wanted to explain. The next thing I was wanted to explain is how these scopes are working. Um, yeah, everything in the scope, if you create a variable in the scope, it's only visible in the brackets. I could demonstrate it. So if we create an integer, it's a data type. I will explain it also later in a data type tutorial. Integers only can initialize numbers, so I will choose the number 42. And then do I if x is greater than 7, then create another variable y, which is 9. Okay. And now we are able to see the variable x. So x is visible within the if because it's in between these brackets. Right. Next thing is you could also see variable y, variable y, but variable y isn't working on out of these brackets. So I can demonstrate it. Now it's getting red because you can see the variable y, and if we press the play button, it's saying, yeah, variable y isn't set. So if we change it back, oops, if you change it back to x, it's able to run this program. Yeah. Okay. That's it for this video. Just to mention, these semicolons are important to, so Java is knowing you want to close this command. So if you are uh, type in a semicolon, it means you this command is finished. So in theory, you could write everything in a line. So this would be also okay for Java. Yeah, but I would prefer for every command to do a new line. So it's better to see what's going on here in this code. Okay. And in the next video, I want to explain the data types and yeah, maybe the if, how the if is working, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some fun with it, and yeah, bye.